What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with you tonight with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about myEcon Smart Money Kit. myEcon's Smart Money Kit and what's included in that kit. Now, if your credit is messed up, then this video is for you. And let's just be honest, a lot of us have messed up credit. A lot of us have credit so it's just so messed up that you can't even get a car or a credit card if your life depended on it. Okay, you're already struggling with bills and you may need a little extra money from a loan company or something, and you can't even get that. But it's probably a good thing you can't get it, because it's just going to make matters worse. There's no sense in borrowing from Peter to pay Paul. Okay, so the truth is, a lot of Americans, most of Americans are living in debt. Most of America's credit is just messed up. I think I remember a commercial a few years ago where this man was riding around on a lawnmower talking about what he had. He's got this and he's got that. And then he said, but he was in debt up to his eyeballs. And sadly, that's the way a lot of us are today. Okay, so if your credit is messed up and you want to repair your credit, then I want to highly suggest that you really take a look at myEcon. Okay, now there are people out there paying monthly fees for people to repair their credit. They're paying high fees for people or companies to repair their credit, and they don't have to do that. You can actually repair your credit yourself by simply following the training that's laid out in myEcon. It teaches you that. Okay, so you can do your own credit repair, do it yourself, and save some money. Okay, now the credit repair comes with the membership. Okay, it comes with the membership. The membership has two price points. One is $47.90, which comes with the cashback mall, and the other one is $34.95. So if you decided that you was going to get in, you can get in at any one of those price points. I suggest the $47.90 because that gives you the cashback mall, where you can purchase products from that mall that you're going to buy every day from Walmart or wherever anyhow, and get cash back on those products. Also, when you buy from your mall, you give yourself a commission. Okay, and the company makes a commission as well. And I don't mind buying through that mall if it's going to benefit me and benefit the company as well. So I highly suggest you come in at $47.90. Now, before I log into my account, I want to thank all of my subscribers, all of you all who have just subscribed. If you're thinking about subscribing, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell button so you'll be notified when I do other videos. After this, I want you to like the video, share the video. If you have any comments, have any questions, go ahead and comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you and comment and give you my answers to whatever question that you may have. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to log into myEcon. As you see, this is my site. Okay, there I am, Executive Vice President. Okay, and so like I said, I just want you to know, I've been in myEcon for over a year. It'll be a year this month. And I believe that's already passed, but I've been in for a year. I have applied the strategies. The strategies work. The very first strategy that I applied put an extra $400 back into my household, where we was able to pay down debt. And we're working on getting our credit straight, going through this process as well. Okay, so I want you to log in. I'm going to log in myself, not you. And don't get me wrong, a lot of people that have money have credit issues as well. And trust me, wealthy people do have credit. Okay, they don't pay cash for everything. So inside your income shifting membership, this is where you will go. You get the Smart Credit Repair Kit. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Okay, you're going to visit this. Just read the brief introduction of what it's all about. Okay, and then you want to click on the 750 credit plan. I'm just going to walk you through here briefly, but kind of show you what the modules look like as well. Okay, so you simply come here and start your first lesson. It's going to take you through these modules, which are 10 in all. Okay, and then you have the income shifting, which you want to do there as well. The income shifting shows you how to get other streams of income coming into your house without you having to recruit a single person. Okay, so in module 1 you get an introduction to the 750 credit plan. Okay, it keeps up with your progress over here. It tells you how long each module is, and then you can move on to the next lesson, and you have it over here as well. Have some this is module 1A, the walkthrough, the membership portal walkthrough. Okay, some PDFs for you to download. You want to download these things, have them on your desktop, and print them out so you can have them, you know, read up on this stuff so you can get better understanding of what's going on. Then you have module B, how credit scores are calculated. We don't know how all of this stuff is done, but this explains it to you real well. Okay, so you want to do that, and then you have some other downloads. Okay, make sure you download everything and print it off and put it in a binder or something where you have access to it. Then you just go to the next lesson. How to request a free copy of your credit report. Okay, it tells you that in this video. Downloads, how to get credit monitoring and credit scores. Okay, then you just move on through the process. How to read your credit report. Okay, sadly, let's be real. A lot of us don't even know how to read your credit report. The only thing we look at is the score, and then we move on. We really don't know how to read the report to be able to dispute anything that's on our credit report. And this is what this is teaching you, and this is what other people are going to charge you money for that you can actually do yourself. I mean, why pay somebody a monthly fee or $1,000 to do this when you can do it yourself for just $47.90 or $34.95, you know. So the choice is yours, but you go through these modules, how to read it, download a sample credit report. Okay, how to mark and rank what you plan to dispute, very important. How to put things in order, in the order in which you should start disputing those things on your credit report. This is what this teaches you. Okay, you have a spreadsheet, and it gives you that. Okay, how to use a credit dispute spreadsheet. You got instructions on that. This is full-blown training at 1751 minutes. Okay. The next one is disputing online versus disputing via certified mail. Very important. You want to watch this video. Okay, you get the Fair Credit Reporting Act. How to mail the credit dispute letters. Okay. This is step-by-step training. Okay. It doesn't get any either than just following the steps inside of the modules. How to remove negative payment history. Other PDFs, the head on the dispute letters. Okay. How to remove RS tax liens off your credit report. Medical collections, remove medical collection. The second one, doc in the PDF. Okay, you got PDF and doc here. Okay, you have all of this information. When to use a goodwill letter. Okay, and it explains it all. You have a goodwill letter 1, 2, and 3 PDF and doc. Okay, that's a lot of information. A lot of information that's going to help you get your credit to where you want to be. The goal should be to get your credit at least up to a 750. If you haven't checked your credit score lately, I highly suggest that you do so to give you an idea of where you are now to where you want to be, and this is going to help you do that. Okay, when to use a pay for delete letter. Okay. Other downloads. How to lower your credit utilization. Okay. Reduce your credit card debt with income shifting. It's another module. Just move on. We're on 7A. How to increase the length of your credit history. Okay. Some more downloads. How to add new trade lines to your credit report. How to build credit paying your rent. Okay, so if you rent, this is going to help you out. Let me pause this for us. Oh, okay, so you have the proper way to apply for new credit. Okay. Then in module 8B, you have soft inquiries versus hard inquiries. And as I said before, you want to make sure you download, these letters and things so you can have them handy. Remove unauthorized inquiry letters 1 and 2, PDF and doc. Okay, then you just keep moving on. Checking for credit mixture. Okay. Then how to check your disputes. Some more things to download. 30 days no response letter, PDF and doc. And what to do when these disputes are removed. Okay. Then you have the method of verification, adamant. Okay. So we're at 90%, module 10. B, and the next lesson. It takes you right on into the income shifting, which is one that you need to do as well. Okay. So it has tools here to help you minimize. The first step is filling out your W-4 correctly. Okay. Then you got the minimize expense tool. Then you how to use the debt elimination tools, income shifting calculator. Okay. Then you move on through the next process. I have done this. I've done this. I've done this. And I've used the investment calculator. Okay. And all of this stuff works if you put it to work for you. It's not going to work if you just get the membership and don't do the strategies. A lot of people are focused on, selling doing the business opportunity side of it. That's good. That's good. But I think the most important thing is the strategies inside that myEcon has to offer anybody who joins. Okay, that's my thing. Excuse me. I joined over a year ago. I didn't push the business. I used the strategies. Okay, that was my preference. Okay, so if you want to just do the business opportunity side of it, you can, but please do not neglect to do the strategies in here. The strategies, it teaches you how to invest that money that you're making in the business into stocks and bonds and in the stock market and things like that. Okay, so you wanted to get to the point where your money is making you money and you're not having to hustle every day trying to promote. You know what I'm saying? So combined all together, these strategies work if you work the strategies. Okay, so if you want to join myEcon, there will be a link in the description. Click the link and fill out the form, and then watch I have testimonials, I have a company overview, and then I'm offering you something as an incentive if you decide to take me up on the offer. Okay, so click that link in the description. It'll take you to where you can get the information. If you have any questions, you have my contact information. You can always call me and talk to me about it, and then we will go from there. So with that being said, I want to take this opportunity to just tell you thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. In fact, if there's anything I can do for you, just feel free to give me a call, and let's see if we can help one another, make some money in this business opportunity, but as well, not just in this business opportunity, but I really want you to use the strategies, okay? Use the strategies inside of myEcon. Apply them to your finances. With that being said, y'all have a great night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace.